AC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after a stormy start to the day, it's certainly quieted down this afternoon. Lots of sunshine out there, fewer clouds, and that trend continues into this evening. So let's take a look at the big picture across the region. First off, there was some nasty storms across Texas. This is a 24-hour loop. Those storms moving into northern and western Louisiana and then departing off to the east. Fortunately, Acadiana spared much of the severe weather threat and a fair bit of the rains, at least in Lafayette. But going back to last night, EF3 tornado going through the Ruston area right here. Estimated preliminary estimates at 130-mile-an-hour winds, but this was from a supercell storm that went way back into Texas. It had a track maybe of 150 miles on the storm, with the tornado touching down several times. So it'll be interesting to see the storm surveys, the full complete storm surveys, but the preliminary EF3 tornado, 130-mile-an-hour winds with those storms up in the northern part of the state. So here's that loop again, looking at that severe weather pushing off to the east late this afternoon. Strongest storms now out in the Gulf of Mexico, coastal waters of the Florida and Alabama panhandles, but fortunately no severe weather inland, seeing most of the lightning offshore, and that's where there are marine warnings there. Now, rainfall wise, got less than a quarter inch at my house, the same here at KETC, officially about 1/10 of an inch out at the airport. Elsewhere, 2 to 3 inches for most folks, some spots a little bit more that caused a little bit in the way of some localized street flooding, but fortunately we dodged the bullet with this system. Here are all the severe weather reports going back through Texas, then you see across Louisiana, and again we'll see more populating over toward Mississippi, but it was certainly an active pattern. And just summarizing over Louisiana, so far 5 tornado reports. There was a brief tornado touchdown close by in Vernon Parish, but no major damage there. Most of the stuff we saw locally here was some heavy rainfall, some hail, and some gusty winds. A total of 49 reports in this outlined red area that we showing you here. So nice and cool as we get to tomorrow morning, but seasonable temperatures, lots of sunshine in the forecast tomorrow. High pressure continues to build in tomorrow evening. Coolest night will be our Friday night into Saturday morning, so keep that in mind. But a mostly sunny and warm Saturday. Ignore these temperatures, are going to be a little bit warmer, and then pleasant weather again Saturday evening. Going into Sunday, maybe some morning clouds, but plenty of afternoon sunshine and warm temperatures. Nice southerly breeze though kicking back in as we head into Saturday, but tomorrow it's going to be a nice northerly breeze, and we'll see that lower 60s tomorrow morning. The winds pick up during the course of the afternoon. Temperatures top out in the lower 80s, and then for tomorrow night, that's when we drop down into the 50s, so you may want to dress a little bit more warmly for festival if you're going to be out after dark, and then back up to near 80 or 81 for the high as we head into the weekend. Here's the detailed festival forecast. Clearing skies, pleasant breeze tonight, right around 70 degrees. These are roughly 8 o'clock temperatures. As we head into tomorrow evening, a little bit cooler, 66 at the same time. Saturday, a warm finish after a chilly start, 81 the projected high. Sunday looks just as nice. And as we indicated, nice breeze Saturday and Sunday, but certainly you don't want to forget the sunblock and the hats. We're not used to all that sun, especially on the weekends. It worked out perfectly this time around for Festival. So clearing skies across the board, seasonably cooler, 62 your low tomorrow, 81 the high, 27 Celsius en français. Magnifique tomorrow, sunny and pleasant for sure. Nice breeze out there, and the humidity is going to be low. So stellar start to the weekend, and it stays nice through Monday at the very least. As we go deeper into next week, we will be looking at warmer temperatures, higher humidity, and eventually a better chance of at least scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms as we finish out the week. And what's not on that 10-day forecast right now looks to be a real cool front. Look at that, lots of 80s, and the 80s only go up.
We're waiting for that.
Yeah, well, it is that time of year.
Yeah, and finally a nice weekend.
Yeah, and a nice
We've waited
weekend.
long
We're
enough.
nailing it.
All right, thanks, Rob.